I dey talk and say we women we be like pets and we dey fall for many things. They go say Catarina Godi baby don start again. See how this woman take expose herself for another man wey not be husband.
I give you a chance to settle this with me. You think I'm joking? You went ahead and start threatening me that police is doing that. Police is. Are you mad? Now you're telling me you see this. You see. Do you think I won't share the video before? Yeah, if you give me money, I won't share the video. But you didn't give me money. So I shared with the video and I will keep on sharing it.
Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back again with Catarina Godi Baby TV. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do me a favor by hitting the red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more updates like this. And to my whole returning subscriber, thank you, God bless you. And to those who follow me on Facebook page, I'm above Facebook, God will bless you. In fact, there was a video I posted yesterday. The video really went viral and a lot of people follow that page. I want to say a very big thank you to you. And I'm here to tell you that I'm above Facebook is just like a name. Entertainment. There are many names on Facebook. I'm above Facebook. Entertainment. Different name. You can see Aproko commenter. Many names on Facebook. So don't think maybe I'm above is just maybe for you. No, just referring to you. No, I am the Amebo mama. Now maybe the Amebo mama. Your own are your for you to follow the page. Now maybe the Amebo for you. Before you know, say some people when you draw video, they will tell you say Amebo, Aproko, waiting concern you. So before they call me the name, let me call myself. Now maybe the Amebo mama for his side. Okay. So thank you to all my followers. God bless you. Keep sharing my video and keep dropping your comment, that good or bad. The day I'm going to do my bonanza like giveaway, I'm going to give it out on that page. And that day, I don't care the country you are. I don't care. I don't want to know where you are. I'm going to do it there. So thank you very much for your following that I'm above Facebook and sharing my video, dropping your comment. God will bless you. So may we go. Without wasting our time, we will go this issue of this our beautiful lady when ample they fly all over the social media. Since then I been not want to talk for the video, but somebody sent me the video when the video for go viral. I see notification when they say upload them, but I just I beg may I not talk put. But somebody can see send her for me for my WhatsApp, my normal WhatsApp when that's the phone when I connect to my Facebook, because I drop my number for each side. That one I just Facebook number. I know that too much you use the phone, you understand. So as I go there, I can see the video, see somebody send a call for me. Now say be like say make I talk about them. When I listen to some certain voice, I need to talk put. Why I need to talk put? Our women more we try this 2021. More we try, more we respect ourselves. Okay. More we try, more respect ourselves. Why are they talking? Because maybe this lady now she must get husband. You understand? Either good or bad. If you want marry man when you love, not marry him because of money. Because if you marry him because of money, that money fit finish. That love you no go call get him again. If he dey sleep with you, or they use that word of sleep with you, if he dey sleep with you, he go dey irritate you. But if you love her for who he be, if you and her dey play, he no go irritate you. Even money dey money no dey, no go irritate you. You understand? Why it happen like this? This our lady. It could be say I go drop the voice. Muna listen to the scammer voice. I go just drop the voice because I don't want to explain. This our lady. Now all those people where they send person friend request, she go send the person go send her friend request. As he send her friend request, she call accept the person. The person call tell her say make I call you. He say yes. You understand now? So now so this our sister take for visiting put for this thing when it happens. So I know say a lot of us they like that. The one way you open now everybody go talk about. So not be say as it happen so it does still get sense. And a lot of women but we still use this what take get sense. Person where you don't know if he private chatting for your messenger. Maybe he can tell you say I just like you. A lot of people they come my private my messenger, they go say you are beautiful, you are this. I go tell and say I don't marry. if I see say the person see they send me some kind of thing when I don't want, I go block the person. I not go block am for my Facebook because I want make they see what I they upload. I go block am for my normal messenger, to avoid that conversation. You understand? I know say nobody dey perfect. You not dey perfect, I not dey perfect, but it don't happen. You understand? I feel for the lady. I really feel for her. Now because he not pay her, he not give her money. The man tell her say, give me money. After he don't do that video with him, he can tell her say, the man when they say they do this thing, so the man not be scammer. Now the scammer now they use the man video say they scam women. So he can tell her say, give me money. The woman can tell her say, I not get money. Then they already do that video call, video me, I video you. Touch your own, I touch my own. Now be the one way be say they do. So the not knowing say the boy they record down. You know say na that one they chop money, all those scammer. The boy call record down. As he record down now, later I call they demand money for the woman. Say make the woman pay her. If not, he go release the video for her. The woman call say he no get money. On I go hear am for the house this month. He call say he no get, he no they give her any money. And I'm so happy that she didn't give money out, because if na some women you not get, maybe she not really get money. Even if you get money safe, if you give am today, the day wey be say the money don't finish, this scammer go still come meet you say, if you not give me money, I go release and go be like threatening to you. So now so he can't say tell her say no get money. The boy can't really release the video proof for her. So this beautiful brother where they use the video, not be even Nigeria person, but the person where they use the map picture na Nigeria. With the boy talk, on I go know the place where for come from Nigeria. Una understand? Because me I don't want mention name. If I still mention name, they'll say Katarina, I'm a bomb mama. So una go if they talk, mona listen to his voice. Una go know the place where the person for come. So this our sister cause say not get money. Now the boy can go upload the video for her. So everybody they carry, madam, my advice to you, not be waiting that they panic for. Some people they use their hand till they spoil their home. Some they use their hand till they repair them. Maybe your own, now maybe you get husband. You don't use your hand to spoil your home like that. You understand? But second say, now waiting. Just take and say raw body, you understand? But may we may be women. I not come on myself. May we use and say wise. Not be all man will send you friend request. So day we be say their body safe because when I go you see say they use picture. So they don't washing the picture, they don't clean. Some of their body, if you see your husband body, he go better pass their husband, the boy body. The man when marry you for us, you go surprise say he body far better pass the person body. You understand? But they will call carry another person picture washing and they will say that their body be that. You understand? So I bet more we stay away from all those things. Not let all those things be our hobby. As far as you don't marry, face your home. Face your home, leave all those things. You are surprised that one I see person husband. They just do this one. If I drop the voice record when into the room, they talk to the scammer. Come contact this our brother when be scam. This our brother where they use the picture. Come contact this scammer. The scammer tell her say, make it not spoil market for their hand. Whether I know say that the promoter. My dear women, mona settle down, listen to this voice record. More with forte learn. Because more this 2021, if the new enter the year, but since we don't happen, not be small. So since we don't happen, not be small. So make I not to talk, make I drop the video. Me una watch her, mona drop on a comment and on a like. Share the video, make people for citizen till learn. So I will drop the boy voice now, make it talk. To all my returning subscriber, thank you. Bye for now till I come your way again.
I give you a chance to settle this with me. You think I'm joking? You went ahead and start threatening me that police is doing that. Police is. Are you mad? Now you're telling me you see this. You see. Do you think I wouldn't share the video before? Yeah, if you give me money, I wouldn't share the video. But you didn't give me money. So I shared with the video and I will keep on sharing it.
In America with you there, don't think you can do rubbish with us. We are still seeing you every day.
Cool. Instead of you to go and lie down on your bed and record a video that we'll be using to work, you're here talking rubbish. Scam a woman from Australia, this, that. We think concern you and that woman. So you don't marry Matilda, still they look for another woman.
No,
You the crazy so. Woman we don't chat her pussy for phone. You know we go happy say we promote you, we make me vex so. See. But I tell you, lie down for your bed, make video for us. We will go tell woman say we want sleep. Now the video be that. I beg. Now you get all the tools we want for this. You just spoil work for us, I beg. Senior man, how family? How is my that's your princess, your little daughter you like so much, and your son? How is Matilda? Can lie down and do video for your baby. Now for you, if not me be you, and for just lie down for my bed like this, do one better video where you say, if women see they go mad.
See them.
You can't hear all the time say you be FBI. What?